Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself before we continue. So, my name is Rakasapta Fabian, and right now I am currently 14 years old. Now, if you are wondering on what I want to do today is to teach you all on how to create an RFID ID tag check. Now let me go to presentation mode for now. Now you are not seeing my face, but you are going to see it after I quit from the presentation. So yeah, so this is the description. So this project has two intentions, and that is so that you, yes you the viewer, know on how to do an identification from an RFID tag, and the second one is that you are able to practice and is able to know on how to create the identification ID from the RFID tag. Now here is the components that you'll need. First of all, you will be needing an OMCU LOL in version 3, a cable jumper, RFID reader, and that RFID tag, two LED lights, and a cable data micro USB. Now the applications that we'll be using is Arduino Ide with the libraries that is going to be used, which is the ESP8266 Wi-Fi, the MFRC522, the ESP8266 HTTP client. Now here is the components that we'll be using. Now the board Node MCU LOL in version 3. Now it is a board with the chip of ESP8266 that is able to be programmed and being functioned in the output, which basically give commands on what you want to do. Now this is the MFRC522 RFID reader. Now this is basically the component that will be used to read and identify the RFID tag. An LED. An LED light is basically an indicator of a system that is being used. It can be used for lights or just, so that you know if it's working or not. Now this is the usage of the Arduino IDE. Now the Arduino IDE is a pretty interesting software to be used because it is using a microcontroller like the Arduino family, and those family are such as the ESP8266 and ESP32. So yeah, and then after that, this is the function of the library, the ESP8266 Wi-Fi. It is a library that is used to combine and to connect the board of Node MCU with the Wi-Fi connection. The ESP8266 HTTP client is used for to send a request, an HTTP request to the internet. Now the MFRC522, it is used to help the usage of the tool of MFRC522 in identifying the RFID tag. Now this is the system's pinout. As you see, this is the Node MCU board, and this is the RFID thing, the MF identification, and this is the LED lights. Now this is the image that you will be using, so you might as well make or screenshot it. So yeah, this is the pinouts. Now if you want a more detailed presentation, here it is. Now the pin of RFID MFRC522 to the pin of the Node MCU is 33V goes to 33V that is next to the node MCU text. The RST goes to D3. GND goes to GND that is also near node MCU text. The SDA pin goes to D4 and the SCK pin goes to D5. The MOSI goes to D7 and MISO goes to DO or D0. Now the pin of the LED light that will be the 1. This is the first LED light because we will be needing 2, which I will identify as red. And then the next one, node MCU pin. Now the long leg goes to DO or D0, and the short leg goes to GND that is near the node MCU text. Now for the second one, or green LED light, the same goes the same, but the difference is only that the long leg will be going to D1 and the short leg will be going to GND that is near the node MCU tag. Now this is how the system will be working. Now the RFID reader will send a distress signal or just a signal, and then after sending the signal, the RFID reader will identify the response from the RFID tag. The RFID reader will identify the ID from the RFID tag, and then after that, after reading it, it will be sent to the ID. The ID will be sent to node MCU. After sending it to the node MCU, the board will make the data process that has been received. So that is how this system works. So yeah, you can go ahead and practice it, and thank you. Now let's go back. Now you see my face now. Okay, now this I will be linking a lot of the sources in the description. So yeah, as you see now, this you will be needing quite a few things, but yeah. Now this, okay, let me show you on what the thing will look like after you combine all of it. Oh, one of them just popped off. So this is how it will look like. Hold on, let me just get it right. So this is the thing. It looks messy, but you know, it's good. So let's continue to the application that will be used for this. That is Arduino. Now let me just open it. As you see, it has some code, but I have a source which will be used. Now let me just open recent Rfid Ide. Hold on. Yeah, and that is this one. Now this is the code. I will be linking the source in the description so you can copy it. Now first of all, this is the name of the Wi-Fi, and this is password of the Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi and the password, and then you can go ahead and name the string to yourself, which this time is Raha. So all you need to do now is to get a USB cable, stick it on the node MCU, and after installing all of the libraries, you can go ahead and do the thing, which, hold on, let me just try to get this right. This is the USB cable. All you need to do is to connect the thing like this. Okay, right. Now after you connect the port, all you need to do is to go to the window, which you can't see right now. It should be on your screen because I can't really see it. since I uploaded the video in quite a small window right now. Okay, just go to the, hold on, oh okay, right, forgot. Oh okay, hold on, let me just fix my face. Okay, there you go, sorry for the interruption, but here it is. Go to tools, make sure your board is connected, as you see over here on your screen. It's mine, for me it's the USB serial. Now after doing that, all you need to do is to upload, and you'll basically have to wait until the upload is done. It might take a while. Let me just, so yeah, here is the uploading process, and we should be good to go after it uploads. So yeah, you will basically have to wait until it uploads. So I guess we can just wait. It won't take a while, it will take a while, but it should work after that. You'll also have to get your card. The process will basically, okay, I've said it enough time, it takes a while, and I'm trying to make it less boring by talking, but I'm sure you're also bored by me talking nonsense. So I guess we'll just have to wait. As you see, it's uploading and it should work in a minute. As you see, still uploading, and we'll have to wait. Also, the area around me grew a little bit darker, as you see. Kind of weird. I wonder why. Okay, after it done uploading, go to your serial monitor. As you see, it says terhubung menghubungkan. Now, that basically means it worked. And grab your card, tap it, and it should do some things. Okay, hold on. As you see, it's still doing those. Now, you'll have to fix some things quite a bit. Now, as you see, set it right there. And right now it's doing that. Clear upload, and it basically says that there is an error, as you see, but we can fix it hopefully. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so yeah, it's basically terhubungkan. I can't really do anything about it, but yeah, that's basically the end of the video. It should be working. As you see, it's quite loud right now, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry for the inconveniences. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you later. Hello, I'm from the future. So I am currently going to show you some stuff that I missed. So basically, if you see on your serial monitor, as you see, if you have done uploading, you could press the serial monitor, and as you see, it looks like this. It's a total mess, but there is a way to fix it. So first, you need to go to your board, and you need to press reset. The process should be quite easy, because yeah, so once you go to your board, if you see, you need to search for the RAST button. In that button, you can press this little thing with your finger. After pressing it, it should reset. It's quite hard to press right now, hold on. Okay, as you see, after pressing it, you need to upload again. It will be compiling sketch, and we should wait. Get your card ready. So yeah, let me just see what's the progress. Yeah, okay, After it is done uploading, you can just check the serial monitor, which we'll do in a bit after it is fully 100%. Okay, now let me just assemble things first. And then after that, as you see it's done uploading, check your serial monitor. It says menghubungkan terhubung, which basically means that we are connected. Grab your card and tap it on your Rfid thing. As you see, it will say pengguna tidak aktif, which basically means that it is not active currently. So yeah, there's also a thing. So check your board, and once you press the thing, it should say that your thing is not active currently. So yeah, and the red and one of your LED lights will show. It will glow. I can't really show it right now, but I assure you it works. Okay, let me just show you this thing. Yeah, here you go. So yeah, hold on, let me just make this work. Okay, you see this thing? Your card, tap it, and yeah, it should glow. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh my god, yeah. So yeah, see you later, I think. Yeah, okay, see you later.